Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store for Nubia Red Magic 7S. And to fix this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here try to find the Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no game that we're looking for. So if you have the same issue, go back, click on your profile picture, move to the settings, review family, parental controls, and then either disable them entirely or go for apps and games and enter your PIN code. Here increase PG to at least 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. If you go back and try to install the game again, it should be right here available to play or install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.